Hello everyone, welcome back to English Room.
Hi, friends. It's great to see you again. How are you today?
I hope you're doing amazing and ready to learn some English with us.
Because today's lesson is fun and very useful.
That's right. We're going to learn how to speak English at the restaurant.
You'll learn how to order food, ask for the menu, and talk to the waiter, all in simple English.
So if you want to sound confident when you go out to eat, stay with us till the end.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Room for more easy English lessons. Part 1. Arriving at the restaurant.
All right, let's start. Imagine you go to a restaurant with your friend.
The first thing you do is greet the waiter. You can say,
Hello, table for two, please.
repeat after us. Hello. Table for two, please.
Nice. The waiter might say, Sure. This way, please.
Then you sit down and the waiter gives you the menu.
The waiter may ask, Would you like something to drink?
And you can answer, Yes, please. I'd like a glass of water.
Or, I'd like some juice, please.
Let's practice together. Say it with us. I'd like a glass of water. I'd like some juice, please.
Perfect. That's how you start your restaurant conversation easily.
Part 2. Ordering food. Now, it's time to order food.
When you're ready, the waiter will ask, Are you ready to order?
You can say, Yes, I am. Or, Yes, I'd like to order now.
Here are some examples of how to order. I'd like a chicken burger, please. I'll have the vegetable salad. Can I have a pizza, please?
Let's repeat them together. I'd like a chicken burger, please. I'll have the vegetable salad. Can I have a pizza, please?
Very good.
Now, if you want to know what's good in the restaurant, you can ask,
What do you recommend?
or, What's your special today?
Let's say that together. What do you recommend? What's your special today?
Great. These sentences make you sound polite and natural. Part 3. Asking questions politely.
When you're at a restaurant, being polite is very important.
Yes. Use words like please, thank you, and excuse me.
For example, Excuse me, can I see the menu, please? Excuse me, can I have a spoon, please? Could you bring me some water, please?
These are very polite and friendly ways to speak.
Let's say them together, slowly. Excuse me, can I see the menu, please? Excuse me, can I have a spoon, please? Could you bring me some water, please?
Awesome! Now you sound just like a native speaker. Part 4. During the meal.
Okay, your food arrives. Time to eat.
You can say, Thank you, or This looks delicious.
And if you like the food, you can say, It tastes great. This is really good. I love this dish.
Try saying them. It tastes great. This is really good. I love this dish.
Now, sometimes you need something extra. Maybe more water or sauce.
You can say, Excuse me, can I have some more water, please? Could you bring me some ketchup, please?
Practice with us. Can I have some more water, please? Could you bring me some ketchup, please? Excellent job. You're learning fast.
Part 5. Asking for the bill.
When you finish eating, it's time to ask for the bill.
You can say, Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Or, could I get the check, please? Both are correct.
The waiter might say, Of course, just a moment.
Then you can say, Thank you very much.
Let's repeat. Can I have the bill, please? Could I get the check, please? Thank you very much.
Nice work. That's a very polite way to end your meal. Review time.
Okay, friends, let's quickly review everything we learned today.
Yes, repeat the key sentences after us.
Table for two, please. I'd like a glass of water. I'd like a chicken burger, please. What do you recommend? Excuse me, can I have a spoon, please? This tastes great. Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent! You did it!
These are very common sentences you can use every time you go to a restaurant.
The more you practice them, the more confident you'll become.
Great job, everyone! You've learned how to talk at a restaurant in English, from greeting the waiter to paying the bill.
Yes, now you can order food like a pro.
Don't forget to practice these sentences every day.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
We'd love to read your answers.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, subscribe to English Room and share it with your friends.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time, right here on English Room.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.